Hello, good morning to all of you. Hope you all are doing well. So, welcome back again to this channel about job. In this video, I'll share with you job openings from Germany. It's a European country. I hope you all of know this. So, let's know what is the job openings, how to apply, what is the requirements to apply for this job, and the entire details regarding this job openings. So, let's start. So, as you can see here, the requirement is for warehouse worker required in Germany and huge advantage of our more than 40 years of industrial experience in the area, Munich. PASIT can get your access to successful companies and well-known market leaders on the way of personal placement or temporary employment. We are looking for order pickers, warehouse employees, MFD for a successful logistics company in the east of Munich. Just apply by email or come to our office. So if you are out of Germany, you can apply through the email, and if you are in Germany, you can visit the office directly and you can attend the client interview. So let's know what is the advantages. The salary will be 13,350 euro per hour. I think it will be 13.50. So you can consider as 13.50 euro per hour. Payment of the MVV ticket, 100% payment of all working hours. Your tasks: picking with Scannersoftware, check of incoming goods for integrity, packaging of products, other customers' positions in the warehouse. Your experience: shift readiness, reliability, ability to work in team, German or English language skills. Kontakt hand over your job research search to the professional PHIT consultants because we feel in exactly the right job for you. Let's back out. The number is there and this is the official email ID. So note down this official email ID and also the number. If you are visit the office, you can use the number, and if you want to apply through the email ID, you can forward your document, CV and cover letter to the given official email ID. So after you sending your CV, the shortlisted process will be start, and once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. So first of all, you should know this is the urgent job vacancies from Germany, Munich. I hope you all of know this. This is a location, east location in Germany. So this is a warehouse worker. If you are interested to work as a warehouse worker and if you have logistic experience, then you can apply as soon as possible. So the thing is, the salary mentioned right here, and you will get these advantages from the company. Your task will be as per mentioned right here, and experience should be shift readiness, reliability, ability to work in a team, German and English language skills. This is the basic requirement to apply for this job. So if you are interested to apply, you can apply as soon as possible. And if you have any friends or relatives who want to apply for job in Germany, then you can suggest, you can inform this job openings so that they can apply as soon as possible. So I hope you understand all the things what I'm saying with right now. Again, I would like to tell you this is urgent job vacancies from Germany, and warehouse worker is the job profile. If you have the professionals background and if you have proper experience in the relevant field, then you can apply by this official email ID. All information is the descriptions below this video. You can read it again if you have any doubt about salary, about requirements, and all the details. And you can collect the email ID from the descriptions below this video, and you can forward your office all documents to the given official email ID. So lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. I hope you will share this information to all the candidates have a dream to move Europe with a job, and try to apply if you are really eligible for this job so that you can attend the client interview. And once you getting success from the client interview, you can get this job in Germany and you can move with a good salary. So again, lots of thanks, and I would like to suggest you this is a very important information. So I hope you will share this information to all the candidates having a dream to move Europe. And basically I am sharing with you the current job openings uh, across the world. So keep watching, continue this channel and get updates about the new job openings so that you can apply on the time and you can fulfill your dream to move abroad with your job. Best of luck. Goodbye.